up, Las Vegas? We're here at it again at another Las Vegas park, Harmony Park on Harmon and Pearl. It's on East Las Vegas, and well, this is a real small park. I call this a mini park or a baby park, you know, but ain't no excuses. I still can show you movements that you can do here, and see, like, these bars are low, and I can show you some progressive if you ever wanted to muscle up. But let's go to check out these parks. And first of all, the same company as we check other parks is called the Miracle Manufacturer, and I'm gonna speak about their equipment and how it can be improved and how we can better these parks according to my opinion. So here we go. We got the dip bars, real small, real basic. They really is called a parallel bar, but I like to call it dip bars. You know, just enjoy the weather. You know what I'm saying? You walk around, you can see it's so limited. It's very small, but you have a big space that you can improve more. We still could put more push-up bars, more pull-up bars. And you know what I kind of recommend is for like really younger kids, maybe middle school or short people. I'm short, you know what I mean? But you always want a high pull-up bar where when you hang down, you don't have to bend your legs too much, but you always still could do a pull-up. So all you gotta do is just bend your legs, you know? Or right here, you just get on this bar. And then you got this little bar. If you wanted to work on your muscle ups, this is one progression. It's called jump ups, right? So if you ever wanted to learn muscle up, put your feet together and you jump up on the bar. Come down slow. Come down slow, just like that. Do it for like 5 reps for 5 sets. And that's today what I got to say at Harmony Park. And I'm gonna show you a little routine that I would do at a park like this. All right, I'm gonna show you a little full house routine here at Harmony Park. If you're ever close by here and you want to get a quick workout in, something not anything elite or advanced, it could be a beginner workout. I'm gonna just do 5 reps, 1 set. But until I complete all the stations, that's 1 set. And we're doing a full house workout. We're gonna go right here and just compromise and work with these little things. Cause honestly, I don't know what this is. It could be probably one of these, but I don't know. But what I like to use with these is decline push-up. And it's another problem right here. So if I wanted to do push-up and had dirt, it would be so much better if they put mats. But ain't no excuses. And I'll make it a little harder. I'm gonna use diamonds. I couldn't do 5 because it was too easy. You don't want to be cheating yourself on your reps and your workout. You always try to make it challenging, but I'm just doing it for the video. So as this, as a bench, you could be so creative. I'm gonna do a push-up to a squat, but watch how I do it. See, now the cardio's kicking in. Then I go right here, do some pull-ups. I might do a pair workout in this full house workout. So you got a full house hand and a pair hand. then I go right here. I do a straight bar dip. Straight bar dip is another movement. It's good for upper body. So you do a jump up as well. Make sure you hit the bottom of your chest. Just like that. There you go, Las Vegas. Here's another park in the city of East Las Vegas. We're on the east side. And just showing you parks of how to do a workout if you don't want to go to commercial gyms. And like I said before, you always can find us on LV Bar Stars. And the only improvements I see that need on this park is the mats, lighting for night, and more equipment. There's a lot more we can improve. Miracle, get at me.